When it comes to woodworking, there are a lot of choices in screws, but one type is ahead of the rest. Milescraft TORX style star drive pocket hole screws feature world and industry-leading head and driver shape and other advantages to ensure your project is completed without a hitch. But first, let's take a look at the other guys. Among the most common fasteners are slotted and Phillips head screws. This older technology is still popular in rough carpentry, but doesn't cut it with craftsmen. With limited points of contact, their design is prone to cam out and stripping, which can damage your workpiece, your driver, and your screw head, leading to ruined boards and lost time and money. Some woodworkers eventually turn to the square drive. While performance is improved, these still have limited points of contact and can be tricky to seat. Star-headed screws are common in professional woodworking, industrial, automotive, electronic, computer, and construction industries around the world, and there's a reason. Milescraft zinc-coated T20 and T25 star-headed screws are easy to seat and drive. The secret is the shape of the driver. The six-sided bit has a vertical walled tip which prevents sliding and cam out. With increased contact points, the bit easily transfers more force into your pocket hole screw. Because of the shape, these screws quickly receive the driving bit, lock in, and are ready to go. The self-tapping thread design cuts into the board without pre-drilling and pulls joints together. Milescraft T20 Star Screws come in sizes from 1 to 2.5 inches in a mix of coarse and fine threads. Our T25 Heavy Duty line comes in 2.5-inch sizing for 2x4 projects indoors and out, and the washer head design prevents the screws from being countersunk, reducing the splitting that can occur with traditional wood screws. Most of Milescraft's jig kits come complete with an assortment of star drive screws, so you can jump right into projects with everything you need. The Pocket Jig 100, 200, and 300 have you covered from basic repair work to heavy-duty construction. World-class woodworking projects start with world-class materials and fasteners. When top-of-the-line performance is required from your pocket hole project, make sure that Milescraft star drive screws are holding it together. Milescraft. Always the better idea.